Want to DIY but need some extra cash? Here's some quick tips how to make some money so that you can tackle those fun DIY projects. Okay, let's save money together with this first tip. One of my favorite apps is called Fetch Rewards. You can find it in the App Store in your phone, or you can find it online. It's super easy. So you probably go grocery shopping. Everybody's got to eat. And guess what? You can save money by purchasing a number of different brands and get gift cards from Kroger, Walmart, Amazon, all sorts of places. So if you use this code, you can get some free money and start today. For Fetch, you scan receipts or you can link your account. Check out this Crunchmaster crackers. I bought this the other day, as well as some other items like YoPlate yogurt, and I scored a huge 2,901 points, which amounts close to $3 off in the app. And that's just for scanning a receipt and when you already go to the grocery store anyway. So easy. I highly recommend this app. It's very easy. I get gift cards on a variety of apps at least once a month, and it helps a lot to save money. Tip number 2 is from Receipt Hog. Yes, you can scan more receipts. You can also link this to your account. Money from Receipt Hog goes into your PayPal account or a Visa card. You get bonuses when you continue to scan consistently. And this one's great because I like getting it sent to my PayPal. It's just free cash. I also link my Walmart, my Amazon account, and get extra money that way. Next tip, Ibotta. Probably the best one because guess what? I have saved over $1,000 in the last couple years. 2 years really, using Ibotta. I have my Walmart account link and you can use a number of places there. This one does require you to go into the app and you have to click the coupons and then you get the rewards, and it happens automatically when I do my Walmart pickup order. It's great. I highly recommend doing it. It saved me a lot of money. Like I said, over $1,000. Use this code to get a free $10. Ibotta is also great for shopping online. You get a percentage cash back just when you click with Ibotta. And that's really great, especially around the holidays, because the cash back gets up to like 10% cash back or more. It's great. Great way to save on Christmas presents. So I hope you enjoyed some of these DIY tips that will hopefully save you money so that you can do more DIY projects and have fun creating with me. Hey, Rose here. Hope you enjoyed these tips and you can find those referral codes to get free money in the description below. Give it a try. I've enjoyed it and I love saving money. I'll see you next time for another DIY project.